Hi students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today the first video of the fourth chapter, lines and angles chapter. In this video we discuss or we learn geometrical terms: point, line, line segment, ray, angle, types of angles, and intersecting lines, parallel lines and concurrent lines. Okay, ఈ వీడియో నందు మనం ఇప్పుడు చెప్పుకున్నటువంటి టాపిక్స్ అన్ని కూడా స్క్రీన్ పైన కనిపిస్తున్నటువంటి టాపిక్స్ అన్ని కూడా వరుసగా నేర్చుకుందాం. ముందుగా ఒక్కసారి మన పుస్తకం లోపల ఇంట్రడక్షన్ పార్ట్ లో ఒక 2 ఫిగర్స్ ఇచ్చిండు. ఒక్కసారి స్క్రీన్ పైన అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. రేష్మా అండ్ గోపి హ్యావ్ డ్రాన్ ద స్కెచెస్ స్కూల్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద స్కూల్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఇస్ ద హోమ్ రెస్పెక్టివ్లీ. కెన్ యూ ఐడెంటిఫై సమ్ యాంగిల్స్ అండ్ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ ఇన్ ది స్కెచెస్? These two are, first one is the school, second one is the house figures, sketches. Observe the two figures, observe the line segments and angles. In this figure, first figure observe PQ, RS, STA and so on. These are the line segment. In the second figure, AB, BC, CD, DE, EC, EA. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మనకి ఏమవుతున్నాయి? లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకేనా? అలాగే ఫస్ట్ ఫిగర్ మరొకసారి అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. యాంగిల్స్, ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఇస్ ద UPQ అండ్ PQR. PQR, దీస్ ఆర్ ద యాంగిల్స్. అలాగే సెకండ్ ఫిగర్ లో కూడా ABC, EAB, దీస్ ఆర్ ద యాంగిల్స్ ఆఫ్ ద సెకండ్ ఫిగర్. ఇవే కాకుండా సెకండ్ ఫిగర్ లో అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే EDC, ECD, EEC ఇవన్నీ కూడా యాంగిల్స్ అవుతున్నాయి. ఓకేనా? వీటన్నిటి గురించి కూడా ప్రీవియస్ క్లాస్ లో నేర్చుకున్నాం. మరొకసారి వాటన్నిటి కూడా గుర్తు చేసుకునే ప్రయత్నం చేద్దాం. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్? ఇన్ ద ప్రీవియస్ థర్డ్ చాప్టర్ వి లర్న్ పాయింట్ ఈస్ ద నో డైమెన్షన్స్, నో లెంత్, నో బెడ్త్, నో థిక్నెస్. దట్ ఈస్ ద పాయింట్. హియర్ ఏ పాయింట్ ఈజ్ ఏ మార్క్ ఆఫ్ an exact location. Point is a mark of an exact location. Points are denoted by English alphabets, capital letters. Capital A, capital B, capital C. Point A, point B, point C. Okay? Next one, these points are read point A, point B and point C. Next one, line segment. Next one, line segment. Take a paper, fold a piece of paper. Take a paper and fold it and open it. Do you see fold the observation? Do you observe the fold? This give is the idea of the line segment. This is given a idea of the line segment. The straight path of 2 points A and B. Observe the screen. A and B are 2 points. The straight path between A and B, that is called line segment AB. That is called line segment AB. It is denoted by AB bar or BA bar. AB bar or BA bar. A and B, these 2 points are called end points of the line segment. A and B are called end points of the line segment. The distance between A and B, these 2 points మధ్యలో ఉన్నటువంటి డిస్టెన్స్ ని AB అని రాస్తాం. AB, it is represented by AB. A line segment has a definite length. Exactly length అనేది మెజరబుల్ చేయడానికి వీలు అవుతుంది. This is the లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్. మనం తెలుగులో రేఖాఖండం అంటాం. ఓకేనా? ఏ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ హ్యాస్ ఓన్లీ వన్ మిడ్ పాయింట్. AB is a one line segment. Thus length is example 10 centimeters. The mid point is at 5 centimeters. Okay? Next one. Ray. A line segment is extended one direction. A line segment is AB is extended one direction. That is a ray. O is the starting point. Through that point, that is a OA ray. Okay? Next one. On its way to infinity, it may pass through one or more other points. A ray is O is the first point, OA, OB, OC, OD. These are the rays of different rays. Okay? A ray is a one dimensional. A ray is a one dimensional. Okay? Next, a ray is no measurable. మనకి రే అనేది కూడా ఎండ్లెస్ కాబట్టి మిజరబుల్ అనేది సాధ్యము కాదు. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, ఏ లైన్ సెగ్మెంట్ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్టెండెడ్ బోత్ డైరెక్షన్. AB is a one line segment. This line segment is extended both direction. That is a line. That is a line. Okay. Next one. A line has no end points and such no definite length. Exact length kuda measurable cheyalem. Next one. Lines are denoted by small letters L, M, N, so on. Okay. So English alphabets lo capital letters emo points చూపిస్తుంది, small letters emo మనకి lines చూపిస్తాయి. Next one. A line contains infinitely many points. Line పైన చాలా పాయింట్స్ ఉంటాయి. So 3 or more points lying on the same line, that points are called collinear points. Next concept, collinear points. 3 or more points. For example, AB is one of the line, A, B. Other point is C is also on the line. So these points are called collinear points. A, B, C are called collinear points. 3 or more points on the same line, that points are called collinear points. Next concept is curve. If a line is not straight, for example, observe the figure. This is the straight line. This is not straight. That one is called curve. We usually refer to it as a curve or arc. In plane geometry, the word line is usually taken to mean a straight line. మనం ఈ జామెట్రీ లోపల లైన్ అంటే స్ట్రేట్ లైన్ ని మనము లైన్ గా తీసుకుంటాం. లైన్ అనేది స్ట్రేట్ గా లేకపోతే దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ కర్వ్.
Please subscribe.
Here one of the ray OA and another ray OB. OA and OB are common rays at common point is O. Here angle is formed. Angle is the union of two rays with a common end point. When two rays in a plane meet at a point, an angle is formed. The two rays forming an angle are called arms or sides of the angle. Observe the screen. On the screen, wall clock. The minute hand or hour hand rotate direction is called clockwise. The opposite direction is called anti-clockwise. Okay? Minute hand or hour hand rotate direction is called clockwise. Opposite direction is called anti-clockwise. Here, first of all, OA is the initial ray. The initial ray is rotate anti-clockwise. That is, second position is called terminal ray. OA is the initial ray. OB is the terminal ray. O is the vertex of that angle. Here, the definition is the amount of rotation performed by a ray with its end point fixed either in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction and also be called as angle. The ray which is in a fixed position is called initial ray. The position of the rotate is called terminal ray. The common end point of two rays forming an angle is called the vertex of the angle. Okay? Angle is denoted by the symbol on the screen. Observe the screen. Okay? To name an angle, we name any point on the ray, then the vertex, and then any point on the second ray. A point on the first ray, middle vertex, and third point on the second ray. For example, on the screen, observe the angle O or sometimes angle AOB. Okay? The standard unit of measuring an angle is degree. Angle is measured in degree with protractor. We know that length is measured with the ruler or meter scale. Okay? Here angle is measured with the protractor. Observe the screen. First one is the half protractor. Second one is the full protractor. Full protractor measure 360 degrees. Next one, what is the degree? Here the standard unit of measuring an angle is degree. The observe the screen, that is the circle. The circle is divided 360 equal sectors. 360 equal sectors. Each sector form an angle at the center is equal to 1 degree. We know that the total angle is equal to 360 degrees at the center. 360 is divided by 360 equal parts. Each part is equal to 1 degree. types of angles. First one is acute angle. Observe the screen. An angle whose measure is more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees, that is called an acute angle. One angle is more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees, that angle is called acute angle. Next angle is right angle. An angle whose measure is equal to 90 degrees, that is called right angle. One angle measure is 90 degrees, exactly 90 degrees, that angle is right angle. Okay. Next one, obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, that is called obtuse angle. One angle is more than 90, less than 180 degrees, that angle is called obtuse angle. Observe the screen. Okay. Next one, straight angle. An angle whose measure is exactly 180 degrees, that is called straight angle. An angle whose measure is 180 degrees, that is called straight angle. A straight angle is exactly one half of a revolution. One half of a revolution, or on the line, any point on the line, that is 180 degrees angle formed. Okay. Next one is reflex angle. Fourth one is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees, that is called reflex angle. An angle whose measure is more than 180 degrees but less than 360 degrees is called an reflex angle. Next one, complete angle. An angle whose measure is 360 degrees is called a complete angle if the terminal ray coincides with the initial ray after one complete rotation. After complete one rotation, that angle is called complete angle. Then the angle formed is called complete angle. Okay. A complete resolution is called one complete angle. Next one, last one is seventh angle, zero angle. Zero angle is different to complete angle if the terminal ray coincides with the initial ray without any rotation. Without any rotation. One complete rotation, that is complete angle. Without any rotation, the initial ray and terminal ray both are same coincides, that is called zero angle. If the measure of the angle is 0 degrees, measure of the angle is 0 degrees, it is called a zero angle. Okay students. Next, observe the screen. First of all, acute angle. Angle is more than 0 degrees but less than 90 degrees, that is acute angle. Second angle is right angle, exactly 90 degrees, that angle is called right angle. Next one, obtuse angle. Angle is more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees, that angle is called obtuse angle. Fourth one is straight angle. Angle measure is equal to 180 degrees, that is called straight angle. Reflex angle. An angle is more than 180 degrees and less than 360 degrees, that angle is reflex angle. Sixth one, complete angle. An angle is equal to 360 degrees, that is complete angle. Last one, zero angle. An angle is equal to 0 degrees, that is zero angle.
Next concept, intersecting lines or non-intersecting lines. Observe the screen. First figure, PQ and RS are two lines on the plane. PQ, RS, these two are lines on the plane. What is observed? In the first figure, these two lines are not intersect. These two lines are not intersect. That lines are called parallel lines. Observe the second figure, PQ and RS, these two lines have a common point. These two lines have a common point. These lines are called intersecting lines. This point O is called intersecting points. Okay. First figure, PQ and RS are, these two are lines not intersect. They have no common point. That lines are called parallel lines. Second figure, These two lines have a common point. That lines are called intersecting lines. That point O is called intersecting points. Okay. Next one. How many lines draw through one point? How many lines draw through one point? ఒక పాయింట్ ద్వారా ఎన్ని లైన్స్ గీయవచ్చు? అబ్జర్వ్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఏ ఇస్ ద వన్ ఆఫ్ ద పాయింట్. ఏ పాయింట్ ద్వారా how many lines through the draw? So many lines through the one point. So 3 or more lines having a common point in a plane, then the lines are called concurrent lines. 3 or more lines. Only 2 lines ఉంటేనేమో intersecting lines అని చెప్పుకున్నాం. 3 or more lines అంటే having a common point or ఒకే పాయింట్ ద్వారా through the one point ద్వారా పోయినట్టయితే that lines are called concurrent lines. That point is called concurrence. That point is called concurrence. Okay na? So 3 or more lines having a common point, that point is called concurrence of the lines. Okay students, thank you.
Like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.